Hi guys, and welcome to Android tutorial of a math app. Let me show you guys how this works. Right now I have 0 life, overall score is 200, and we have our submission button there. I'm on level 2, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to exit. No, I don't want to exit. Let's reset.
Game has been reset.
Okay, start a new game then.
What is 4 to 1? What is 10 to 2?
That will be 8.
What is 7 to 6? What is 1 divided by 1?
Okay, 1 divided by 1.
What is 6 plus 1?
7.
What is 6 plus 13? What is 39 divided by 3? What is 7 times 14?
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm
4
going to take
seconds,
you
3
guys.
seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second remain, 0 seconds, game over. Your score.
So I'm going to take you guys straight to Android tutorial where we put together a brand new Android math app tutorial. So I'm going to start by coming right here. Just click on that new project. There we go. Select empty view activity. Click on next. Give your project a name. So in this case, since this is a different types of mass app using different layout entirely, I'm just going to call our mass app layout. Okay, so click on finish. Okay guys, so as you can see, the development environment is ready. So what I am going to do now is, let me just show it to you. Look, right there is the default hello world. So let's go back in here. Now let's take care of the background setting first, and right here I'm going to specify my color right here. So let's say the background color, just come here and say background color, and I'm going to make that 121 and 212. That's gonna give me a blacky kind of like color. Next is let's take care of, I'm gonna get rid of this. I just want to take care of the padding. I'm gonna make that about 16 dp. Okay, 16 dp. Now what else do we need to do? I'm going to get rid of this. Yeah, so it's more or less like commented out. I can just delete it if I want. Yeah, delete it. So that is how my background is looking. Look at it. It's all black now. Okay, you see this text? That was the hello world. So let's say ID for that is going to be as follows. I want to change the name of that to TXT, something like that. So let's just change that to TXT score. Right. Okay, that's looking good. And the width, you can make that width about 0. That's a layout underscore width. And I'm gonna make that 0 dp for now. 0 dp. Then the height is fine. And let's change this. I'm going to change this to color, and that's going to be equals white. That will be FFF, 6 of those. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's take care of this error. Make it known that it's an Android. Let's paste it there. Okay. Alright, so this one, let's change one of these to the height. Oh no, it's changing as well. I only needed one. Get rid of one. Alright, that's fine. Next, I'm going to make the font. Let's say text size styles. I'll make that style bold. There we go. And the font size. Make that about 18 dp. Yeah. Okay, so let me do one thing now. I'm going to set up my margin here. So come down here and just say layout. This layout is going to be for margin at the top, and I'll make that about 40 dp. There we go. Alright, so let me take care of one thing. I'm going to take care of the timer. Well, before then, let me show you guys how it's looking now. This is how the whole thing is looking. Okay, it's not that much for now. So let's come down here. I'm going to copy all of these. Let's paste it right underneath here. And change the name of that to timer. TXT timer. Right. Now I'm going to change the color of that. Let's make it FF0. No, let's say D5 4F. It's bold, the size is the same. And I want it to connect, to constrain with this code. Constrain to end of, instead of parent, I'm going to change that to this code. Then I also want this to constrain to the timer. So I'm going to grab all of the timer. Constrain to the timer, that will be start off. Timer will be to start off. Place that in there. Let's see how that looks for now. Okay, I'm getting there gradually. I'm gonna move this. I'll move this up as well. Okay, go back in here. I know you guys cannot see what's happening now. Maybe if I change this to white, then you guys can see before I change it back to black. Let's go back in here. Okay, that is it right there. And let's just change it to white. FFFF. 1, 2. Go back in there. So can you see that? And the other one. Okay, we're not ready yet. So let's go back into the code. I'm going to have to change this color back to what it was, white. I don't want it as white, I want it as black. So I'm going to say 1212221. Let's end it. 1212221. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. So constraint to the bottom for the score. I'm going to delete that. I don't want that. And what about the timer? Constraint to the timer. I'm going to delete bottom as well. Bottom. Check that out. Delete. Okay, before I go any further, let me import my logo. That is it right here. Yeah, just copy. Just copy. Yep. And I'm gonna come right here where we have resources. Drop it down. Select drawable, and in there just paste. Instead of Captain Paul, I'm gonna change the name to just logo. There. So we have the logo right in there. I'm also going to import my sound, the correct one and the invalid, the wrong sound. Just copy those. Now, in these resources here, right click, let's go to new Android resource directory and change this to raw. Click on OK. That's the raw folder. Right click on the raw folder and paste. So I now have both sound in here. Look at that. Alright, so that is fine. So the two sound and the logo. Okay, that's fine. Next, I'm going to copy this and just use it to create the rest of my widgets. Copy. Okay, guys, let me show you how it's all looking now. I just had to speed that up. Okay, look at the code. The code is very similar for the widgets. So here is the score. That is for the timer. And right underneath the timer, I have the live, which is constrained to the top right hand corner. Then I have my image, that's my logo, the logo that was downloaded earlier. There. Okay, bring it down. And here, that's my question. And down again. Then the where I would display my answer. Then the button for submission. Then the live. That this widget will display the level. And here I had to create another linear layout for the bottom three buttons. So one is going to be for the restart, reset, and exit. So that is it right there. So this is the layouts that handles or takes care of these three buttons there. So have a good look. Layout, button to the left, middle button, and button to the right, and the layouts ended here. So let's see. We come in here now, look at the design. There we go. That is the design so far. Okay. That is the design so far. Nothing is happening right now. So let's save that. Alright. Now that that is saved, I'm going to go straight in here where I have my Java. And in here, come, example. Right click on that and go to new class. And I will call that game engine. So that's a class for game engine created here. I will enter the code for that will take care of the calculations. That is the okay. That's the lines of code for the Mass app itself. So have a good look at it. Bring it down a little bit and there. So let's save that. I'm now going to take care of the main activity. So guys, have a good look at the main activity Java codes. So just take it from the top and let me show you the libraries that I included. Those are the libraries. Okay, then here is a class for that, the main class. I'll make this code available for you guys too, so don't worry about it. So if you take it down and down, you can always pause the video just to see it. And here, that's my button now. Getting my submission button. Okay, setting it against the on-click list now. I will also have my speech embedded, as you can see here. There we go. Okay, almost there now. Just pause the video, guys. And that's all there is to that. I had to speed it up because this will take a long time to put together. Okay, that's it. So I am now going to, let's go into main here, activity main, and here it seems to have called this twice, so I'm going to get rid of it. That's it right here. If I press enter, that's it, and I'm calling it again mistakenly. Just get rid of it, of that. Okay, I'm going to save that. And let's view. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's just run it. Click on run. It's coming out. There we go.
What is 32 divided by 8?
Let's say 4.
What is 10 to 10? What is 24 divided by 8?
Very good, guys. It's working as expected. So I'm going to make a mistake here. Let's just enter
What is 3 times 3?
9.
What is 1 times 9?
And that is it, guys. That is how you create your own Mass app using layout. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. Like I said, I'll make this code available for you guys just to have a look at and use it to improve and develop your own program. So with that, I'm going to say bye for now. You all have a nice day.